Inside of the little coral polyps, the little animals, tiny little worm-like creatures, some only the size of that of a pin, some the size of a BB, some the size of a small pea. They bond together by the millions and billions. They put carbon dioxide out of the water to form that limestone skeleton. In the case of the soft corals, the ones that are moving back and forth in the current, it's limestone with a protein called argonium, similar to our hair or our nails. Makes them flexible, aids in their feeding. And in the stony hard corals, it's with calcium carbonate, similar to our teeth or our bones, makes them as hard as a rock. And it's actually those stony hard corals that build a reef. And they're pretty much named by what they look like too. The ones that look like fans down there are the sea fans. The ones that look like feather dusters, sea plumes. Have sea fingers, sea rods, sea whips. See that weird looking guy with the pointed snout right to the right there? That's a scrawled file fish. You dry that fish up, his scales are just as coarse as a file. They used to use that fish back in the day to finish boats with, and that was the original pots and pans scrubber for the settlers in the Keys. In fact, some of the ladies in the islands to this day still use that fish to scrub their pots and pans with. In the stony hard corals, we have the brain coral. It looks very much like a brain. Staghorn and elkhorn coral look like antlers. Mountainous star coral, pillar coral. They're all similar to sea anemones or jellyfish. They all have stinging tentacles. That's how they kill and capture their food. They zap out microscopic little animals and plants out of the water called zoo and phytoplankton that the Gulf Stream brings through here. See what else we can dig up for you. Every trip out here is different. We never know what we're going to see. This shaped blue guy off to the left there, that's Atlantic blue tang. He's also known as Dory. For you Finding Nemo fans, that was Dory. We've got the fish that live on this reef all year long, through over 360 documented species. We have the ones that come in throughout the year for migratory reasons, the ones that come in for spawning reasons, so we see different stuff all the time. Fish we're going over today represent about half the fish on the reef. They're the sight feeders. They're using their eyesight to search and find their food. At night, the scent feeders come out. Whole different world out here at night. That's when you might see the green moray eel, maybe our nurse shark, octopus, lobster, things like that. But we do occasionally see those nocturnals during the day. See that little school, those itty bitty little, oh yeah, a green moray eel! It's so rare to see one during the day. You guys take the back here? Green moray eel. Been on this boat over 3 years. I think that's the third time I've seen an eel during the day. You know that eel